Hi everybody. I am going to do a mallet smash. Let me see what size this is. 20 by 16. So on a 16 by 20 canvas, going to do a mallet smash. I already poured my white base coat, which is Dutch Boy house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm assuming you guys like it better when I pour the base coat before I start filming, because that's pretty boring to watch me tilt white paint, probably. I'm using Arteza paints today. I've got Prussian blue, Indian yellow, carmine red, and rose. So may as well get started. I'm a little nervous because my mallet smashes have not been turning out exactly how I want them to lately. I just sold one recently that was really bright and really vivid, and really kind of messy. Like the splatter was all over. And I loved it. And I've tried to reproduce it, and I just can't. I've watched the video over and over to try and do it, and I just can't get it. So that's always in my head as my prize, the prize that I want. It's a beautiful day out. It's like 65. I just took the dog on a walk. She's crazy on her walks. She's puppy. She turns around and jumps on me like every so often. I think to say, "Mom, are you still there?" And my husband walked her alone for the first time last night, and that did not go well at all. For some reason, her leash keeps coming apart from the harness. It's never done that on her collar, but on the harness, something happens and it releases. So it happened right by a busy street, and he said she didn't notice that that she was free, so she didn't move. Thank God. But I do carry treats on my walks for that reason. If she is to get loose, I can at least try and bribe her to come back to me. All right. Wow, there's schmutz stuck to my mallet. All right. Need something up here. Whoa, too much pink. huge one. Jeez. Finally, I love it. This is what I wanted. I wanted big and busy and colorful. And that's what I got. Colorful. Very colorful. Do a couple flingies. That's exactly how I wanted it. Just looking at it to make sure I don't want to change anything. No? It's good. Take my gloves off so I can run you around. I love this area over here. So glad I added that extra puddle. Check that out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.